So it seems as if YouTube has gone update crazy. Last month, they had an event when they announced all of this, which we've already talked about. Then they increased the video length of YouTube Shorts to 3 minutes. And we've already talked about that too. So what do we call them? Cropped trousers? And now they have all of this stuff. So let's dive in, shall we? YouTube is already the internet's biggest video search engine, and it seems like they want to extend that to the comments section as well. Kind of. Popular search terms found in the comments will be clickable search shortcuts that take a user to content related to that term, while the original video plays in the background. And this will also work for YouTube Shorts too. So an example might be that you're watching a product review and someone in the comments suggests an alternative product that's a clickable link that's going to show you the search results for that related product. The thing I'm not clear on is how often these links are going to appear in comments. What search terms take it over the threshold to make them clickable? And surely we don't want every single comment to have a clickable, searchable link. That's a lot of noise to get through, isn't it? Well, isn't this something a lot of you can get excited about? Finally, the ability to remove YouTube Shorts from your feed. Whenever you see a Shorts shelf, you'll be able to tap the 3 dots and ask YouTube to show you fewer Shorts. Yes! At least for a few days or weeks anyway. You see, in YouTube's literature, there is a key word. We will temporarily show you fewer Shorts in your feed. So eventually the short shelf will come back to tease you into short form content. Oh, and this button isn't going anywhere either. This sounds so incredible and yet so niche that I'm just going to read what YouTube says. Choose unique thumbnails from your own images, or let AI generate imaginative designs based on your chosen theme. You can also add text, filters and stickers to customize thumbnails, currently not available for AI playlist thumbnails. Creators also have the option to update thumbnails from older playlists. Now maybe I'm interpreting this all too simplistically, but as YouTube just said, they're releasing a thumbnail generating tool for playlists only. I'll be honest with you, I couldn't care less about the playlist aspect of this. But if it is a precursor to a YouTube thumbnail generating tool, that gets my attention. If you are a top listener of a YouTube artist, answer quizzes on community posts correctly, are one of the OG paid members of a channel, or get lots of your comments hearted by the creator, you will earn badges. I think there is one word to sum up what YouTube is doing here. Gamification. Creators have been able to see comment-style badges in the YouTube Studio backend for years. But it seems like YouTube wants to make this channel loyalty more public and create curiosity and possibly FOMO from other viewers who are seeing these badges and want some themselves. It is similar to another feature YouTube have announced called Hype, which aims to promote small channels through audience participation. Pretty straightforward, this one. YouTube is giving us more granular control over playback speed so that we can move in 0.05 increments as opposed to the 0.25 speed increments we have right now. I just have one question. Who needs to be so specific on the speed at which they watch their YouTube videos? I think this might actually make playback speed a little fiddly and annoying to use, and I use it a lot because I can't remember the last time I watched a video at normal speed on YouTube. Oh, and I'm curious to know what speed you're currently watching this video at. Let me know in the comments below. This feels much more like a viewer tool as opposed to a creator tool, in the sense that anyone can create a playlist and seemingly invite anyone to collaboratively build it. And then later in the year, users will be able to vote on videos in playlists to re-rank them in the playlist. You've probably already noticed this, but I have a fairly low opinion of playlists on YouTube. And maybe it's because I'm just not very good at them. In the entire history of a vidIQ channel, playlists have contributed less than 1% of the total views on the channel. Generally, I recommend taking all of those videos that you would put in a playlist and republishing them as a massive single video. That tends to work better. This is a very simple update that makes very simple sense. The ability to set a timer that will automatically pause a video after a duration of time. I myself have been using a feature like this to fall asleep to podcasts for over a decade, so it's nice to see YouTube rolling out a similar feature on its platform to all users. But I do guess some creators might find this new feature a little annoying. Think of all of those fall asleep listening to these sounds videos that last for 10 hours. They bank on viewers actually falling asleep and gifting these videos what you might call zombie watch hours. And that sleep timer feature potentially screws all of that up. Now there is one more tiny update that I want to show you from YouTube, and it is this. Yeah, the mobile YouTube Studio app now works in landscape mode, which to me looks pretty unusable and ugly. But hey ho, there's nothing more important that YouTube need to fix right now, such as the ability to upload completely custom thumbnails for YouTube Shorts from a desktop computer, which YouTube still haven't fixed.